Operation Security Forces have arrested key commander of banned Kanglaipa Communist Party KCP in New Delhi. The arrested person has been identified as Haubijam Dilip Singh. The operation was conducted by Special Cell of Delhi Police, Manipur Police and central agencies. Based on his interrogation, security forces carried out a recovery operation in Manipur's Kakching district, leading to seizure of large cache of arms, ammunition and explosives. According to official, Dilip Haubijam was wanted in more than a dozen cases registered under the Unlawful Activities Act. According to the officials, Dilip Haubijam came to Delhi for a secret meeting, prompting central agencies to probe whether the national capital was also on the radar of insurgent group. Based on the interrogation, security forces have recovered arms and ammo in Kakching area. The recovered weapons include one AK-56 rifle, one AMOC rifle, one AI rifle and one M4 rifle fitted with a scope. Several empty magazines of INSAS, AK, SLR, M4 and light machine gun rifles were also seized during the search operation. The security forces also recovered 51 high-explosive bombs, 2 para bombs, 11 detonators and 4 lethal shells during the operation. Officials said nearly 2,000 live cartridges of different calibers, including AMOC, INSAS, AK, .303 and SLR ammunition were also seized from the site. Apart from arms and explosives, security forces recovered bags of different colors, a tarpaulin sheet, plastic bags and one Redmi 13C mobile phone fitted with Airtel and Jio SIM cards. The central agencies are now investigating whether there was any larger conspiracy involving Delhi or any other metropolitan cities.